E. Valderrama, Expert Chief Dr. Arsenis S. Lopez, CIE Chief Dr. Sarah Ara Hernandez, together with 498 elementary and secondary athletes, 89 coaches, 72 officiating officials. The vibrant and heartfelt slogan of SEO Pampanga captures the essence of what it means to serve with pride and joy in Dep and Pampanga. It's a celebration of excellence, dedication, and a positive spirit in public service. Together, this matter proudly says, sa Dep and Pampanga, masaya ang serbisyo, mahusay ang gawa, at tapat ang puso. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the delegates from Schools Division Office.